I want to jump into these amazing questions about spirit guides. All right. So I think that, let me go look at them here. I wrote down several. Okay. So, Deborah, thank you so much. I can tell you've been practicing, Miss Deborah. She says meditation allows us to focus. But how do you determine you have received your message? I am a flighty at times. Will join the crowd. Even in meditation, jumping around in my head. Any tips for high energy peaks? Yes. So number one, what is your spirit habit? Are you trying to get guidance on the fly, or are you really doing 5, 10, 12 minutes, something with spirit every day? If you're not, start the practice. Number two, the way I know it's guidance is there's a knowing that goes with it. Now, sometimes I don't get messages in my own meditations. Occasionally I have, right? And I meditate often. I usually get my guidance through my daily life, meaning that I make a decision, I get that answer from my intuition. For example, let's say I'm going to book a flight. And I usually invite spirit, is this the right time for the flight? Is this here? I go ahead and do the research. I take the action. And then I pay attention to how I feel while I'm taking that action. And sometimes I'll get a weight, a feeling of just weight. And sometimes I don't listen to that and I force it. So if you feel like you're forcing, you probably are. All I would say is step back and know that your meditation opens the channel for you all day to receive guidance as you live your life, right? Once we will get like colors, and colors are what I call a reference point, and they can provide energy. So for example, if I'm really tired, and I'm doing my Meet Your Spirit Guide CD, and I'm asking for them, to help me. I may not get a word, but I'll get a color, and I know that that color is a reference, right? And that's what they're giving, that's what they're wanting me to share, that's what they're wanting me to do. So it just takes a little practice, and and I hope, Deborah, you'll think about coming in, joining in the membership after the class, because we practice, practice, practice. And you get better with practice. And we have 2 practice sessions a month, and I am thrilled to do this because I love people having the light bulb turn on, that you may not get the message from your guides at that moment, but you will get it. It will come through knowing, a feeling. It may come as a color. It may come with somebody dropping a book in your lap. All of that type of fun stuff. So